आप लोग मुझे एक बात बताओ, ये वॉल ऑफ रिमेम्बरेंस है, यहाँ पर आप लोग सेल्फी क्यों ले रहे हैं? दिस इज नॉट द सेल्फी पॉइंट। इन लोगों ने अपनी जिंदगी को खोया है एंड यू पीपल आर स्माइलिंग एंड टेकिंग पिक्चर्स। योर पिक्चर इज दिस द सेलिब्रेशन पॉइंट? व्हाई पीपल आर टेकिंग सेल्फी हियर? आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड व्हाई। यू पीपल आर एजुकेटेड, आई थिंक. You people are educated, I think. What are you doing? Excuse me. I just wanted to know. This is a very painful thing, na? And you people are taking selfie. Why? Is this a selfie point? Huh? Excuse me. Is this a selfie point? These are martyrs people, and you people are smiling and taking pictures with these martyrs.
No, that's not.
It means you don't have feel pain. You don't have pain. You are from the Kuki community, and these people are also from Kuki community, and they died in 2023. And you people are enjoying here with your group, taking selfie with the smiling faces. Why?
They're not that smiling. They're just taking picture of it.
So you don't have pain for these people?
Yeah, we have pain.
It is not showing in anybody's attitude here. Why so? People are coming and taking selfie and videos. Why?
Just a kid.
You should be careful. You should be careful.